Is the power button on your LG monitor continuously blinking, leaving you puzzled and staring at a blank screen? In today's video, we're diving into how to fix LG monitor power button blinking, a common issue that can cause frustration for many users. Usually, this blinking indicates problems with power supply connections or internal components. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and restore your screen to working. Step 1. Secure cable connection. The first step in resolving the blinking issue is to ensure all cables are properly connected. Start by checking the power cable. Disconnect and reconnect it, ensuring it's firmly plugged into both the monitor and the power outlet. If possible, try a different power outlet to rule out issues with the electrical supply. Step 2. Inspect video cables. Next, inspect the video cables. Whether you're using HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, ensure the cable is securely attached to both your monitor and your computer. A loose or faulty connection can often cause display issues, including the power button. Step 3. Try a different power cable. Sometimes the issue may be with the cable itself. If you have an extra cord compatible with your monitor, swap it out to check if the blinking ceases. Step 4. Connect to another computer. If the problem persists, connect your monitor to another computer or laptop. This will help determine if the issue lies with the monitor or your primary computer. If the monitor works with an alternate device, further investigation into your computer's hardware may be required. Step 5. Reset the monitor. To reset your LG monitor, unplug it from the power source and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This allows the internal components to reset. Afterward, reconnect the power and turn on the monitor to see if the blinking has stopped. Step 6. Update or roll back your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can lead to signal issues, causing the monitor to check for the latest drivers via the manufacturer's website or your computer's settings. If a recent update coincides with the start of your blinking issue, consider rolling back to a previous version. Step 7. Seek LG customer service. If none of the previous steps solve the issue, consider reaching out to LG customer service or visiting a certified repair shop. Persistent power button blinking could indicate a deeper hardware problem that requires professional attention. Now that you know how to fix LG monitor power button blinking, most users should be able to tackle this common issue with ease. From thorough cable inspections and hardware tests to resets and driver updates, these steps provide a logical pathway to identify and fix the problem. Remember, if troubleshooting at home doesn't resolve the issue, expert assistance is just an email or phone call away. With these solutions, you're well on your way back to a clear, uninterrupted display. Enjoy your screen time glitch-free.